snowy weather and the holidays, the Annapolis market has been a bit slower than recent past. It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis inventory for sale dropped again this week to 110. 14 properties are coming soon. 12 homes went under contract in 47 days this past week. 12 homes sold for 98.8% list to sold ratio in 18 days. Rentals are at 43, priced at $2,995 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.